Hazur, if a man dies while performing Hajj or Umrah, does he go to heaven?
After performing
Hajj or Umrah?
or before?
No,
During the performance. Allah knows best. There are so many people whose Hajj is positively known to have not been accepted by Allah. For example, when Hazur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam was prevented from performing his Hajj, as far as the rest of the world went, the Hajj went on, and people went and performed Hajj. And this is a positive conclusion you can make with all surety, that during that time when Hazur Akram sallallahu alaihi wasallam was prevented from Hajj of no person on earth was accepted by Allah. So Hajj in itself is not a sure instrument. Only it's Allah's mercy which is going to save you, and that is going to ultimately be decisive for the pardon of man. Yes, please, Bashir Yar Sahib. And then your son afterwards. Rafiq also wants to ask a question.